Lord, all those things I've been through in my life, and all those fights keep me stronger, I'm wise.
Guys, we just got out of the mall. I didn't really vlog while I was in the mall because it was actually a lot of people for a day that it snowed. It was like, I don't know, like a lot of people. But we just picked up stuff. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So Bath and Body Works, I got the wallflowers, and we just got cherry blossom, some coconut something, some mango something, and then Victoria's Secret, I just got some underwear, and Mom got some underwear, but most of my underwear I had to order because they didn't have extra small. They only had. Mom, you want to show your underwear?
No.
This is what Mom's underwear looks like. I could only buy one of mine. The rest I had to order online. This is the one I got. Not that you guys care what underwear I have, but so it looks like. And then from Macy's, we just got my dad's birthday gift. It's a cologne. So we got a bag. And now we're about to go home because you guys will be seeing, I have to upload this vlog. It's gonna be up late. There's so much stuff.
If me no take me $4. $1 me win.
Mom is buying her scratch offs. How much did you win? Mom, when it comes to like scratch offs and stuff, I feel like the more money you spend, like if if the card's $20, I feel like you would win more money. Guys, I have to go get my hair done. I am pushing a bun right now. You should have kept that $4 or just gave it to me. I would have made use of it. Guys, so we're going home. Did I say that already? We're going home. Mom, you know I want to work from home.
You're too tired. You don't know what you want.
I want to work from home.
What kind of work you go to from home?
I don't know yet. I just want to work from home.
That's the first thing if you know.
I do. Well, I know where I don't know. I just want to work from home. I don't want to work. I don't know. Would you work from home?
Me? You in the house every day? Your house space, not me.
You know I like being home.
You want to go out?
I know. I like.
You song the house every day for favor the color of the paint? Not me.
I like to stay home. I feel like sometimes maybe it's a good thing that I don't work from home because I can be antisocial sometimes. Like I feel like it's really hard for me to go out, but once I'm out I always have a good time, but like for me to go out it's hard. But I like being home.
You love house too much, man.
I like it.
Not me.
I like it.
Me in a house Lucy.
Me know.
Me if you sing the house every day, not me.
I like being home.
No.
I like it. I like it. I like it. I like being home. I like
me.
Like, I don't know, I like the comfort of being home. No, I want to go to BAM. There's this book that I want to get. I like being like, sometimes I just don't want to deal with people. And like my job, like some people can just be so rude and I'm just like,
rude?
Let me walk up. Yo, now it used to
they're rude for my job too, but me deal with them.
I just walk away. I'm like, listen.
Say, bitch, go and sit down.
No, you
Move
don't.
out of my face. Oh.
Listen, you know, if you're married and somebody says, listen, you don't have to work when you're pregnant, you're working?
Not go happen again.
Why were you working when you were pregnant?
Me done pregnant. One pregnant and it done. So me not go pregnant again. Me days are pregnant over.
Yeah, but what? You would want me, if I found a guy and I got pregnant, you would want me to be working?
Go work, I can come here and replace and chop you up.
Alright then, that's what I'm saying. Why would I want to be working? I give it to the people that work, but look, I'm like, I'm not pregnant now and I barely want to work. So can you imagine, you can barely move? Oh hell no.
Nobody in our room with them.
You would take care of my kid?
Me gone with them, you don't see them.
What do you mean them? Mom, I want 4 kids. You want 2?
Yeah. You You want to know if you want 4, if you can manage 4. Look upon you about you want 4 pitney.
I want 4.
Me and 1 and you want 4.
I want a big family.
What for your business?
Who's blowing us up, babe?
Oi, that's right.
Grandma.
Not that thing. Sick. Your husband going to get his own lick. A chop up in.
You think my husband's gonna beat me?
Beat what?
I don't know, man. Ma, didn't you just say he was gonna beat me? You think I'm gonna get married? Lord have mercy. That would be the day of my life if I get married. I'm a low-key lunatic, really. You think I get married? No, nothing's wrong with me, but
so I make it ask if you don't get married.
Because I really don't like.
The amount of man they look at you, they won't find them like I have a fish show. Not a pro.
You know who I should.
Run, tell her now.
You know who I should have gave my number to? That weatherman. The weatherman. He was like, I'm ready to bring you home to my mom. And that's
rich mom.
No, but the thing what I liked about him too, not that I dissed him, but I blew him off so many times. And then he kept on coming back and like reintroducing himself. I was like, oh, he got a little bit of game. But then I was like, listen, not in the mood today. And I blew him off. And then turn on the weather channel. Who is it? Freaking man. I said, Lord have mercy. And then my friend texted me. He's like, ooh, you really messed that one up. I was like, leave me alone. His hands were softer than mine. Couldn't work. Couldn't work, mommy. And he was huge. Huge.
Big?
Huge. Like he was tall. Like huge.
Where you go with him?
I don't know. He was huge. I said, what the hell? What am I going to do with that? Huge. And you just met me in your...
One policeman in there low see me big and fat. One day he said about he love me. Yeah, me too, in that crowd. But when me go do with you, when me go put you can't hold pan for me bed. So it not go work.
Mom, why would you say that?
Seriously, me tell him that crowd. He said number 1, if you take sick, me can't even lift up on it. So what me do with you?
What?
Not my type. Walk again.
Mom, you are crazy.
Me say what me do with you?
Oh my gosh.
Me say me if you
he was
sick,
that big, Mom?
What? Me say if you take sick, me can't lift up on your hand. So what me do with you? Walk again. Not my type. So when you see me, they come cut your eye past me. Me know why you.
Oh my gosh, that's so funny.
What me could do with him? If he sit down for me, me sure dead.
What?
If he sit down for me sure dead.
Oh my gosh. I'm weak. The poor man, probably shame.
Oh, I tell him in the crowd, he knows say another word to me.
Shame. Dang, Mom.
Me say I have diabetes now.
Oh gosh, he was that big? And he's a police, so how do you run down the criminals?
He can't run in my fucking office. He can't walk, he get more out less run.
Oh, I'm weak.